LAQ 5, a rectangular sheet. This is the rectangular sheet. Its dimensions are 80 centimeters and 80 and 30 centimeters. 4 equal squares of side x removed from 4 corners. ఈ కార్నర్ లోంచి ఒక స్క్వేర్ రిమూవ్ చేశారమ్మ. 4 squares removed from 4 corners. Given length of the square given x. So fold this one into open box. దీన్ని ఎలా ఫోల్డ్ చేశారు, ఇలా ఫోల్డ్ చేశారు. So we get an open box. So length of the open box total 80. x కట్ చేసాం both sides. x. So length of the open box 80 minus 2x. Breadth of the open box 30 minus 2x. And height of the box, this x becomes to height of the box LBH. Find this x value when volume of the open box is greatest means maximum. Volume of the box LBH. That is the formula. So write down, let LBH are the dimensions of the open box. Therefore L equal to 80 minus x 2x. 80 minus 2x. B equal to 30 minus x. Height of the box equal to x. Find x value. Find this x value. Volume V equal to LBH. 80 minus 2x, 30 minus 2x into x. So V equal to 80 minus 2x. Multiply these two. 30x minus 2x square. Multiply these two. 2400x 160 x square minus 60 x square plus minus into minus plus 4x cube dv by, it is either maximum or minimum, dv by dx equal to 0. dv by dx 2400 into 1. Next 320x minus 120x plus 12x square 12x square equal to 0. 12x square minus 440x plus 2400 equal to 0. 4th table 3 times, 110 times, 600 times. So finally we get 3x square minus 110x plus 600 equal to 0. 600 into 3, 1800. 90 into 20, 90, 20 equal to 110. So split into factors. 3x square minus 90x minus 20x plus 600. Take 3x common. X minus 30. Take 20 common. X minus 30. X minus 30 into 3x minus 20 equal to 0. X value 30. X value 20 by 3. Given dimensions of the rectangle 30, 80. X is length of the side which cuts the 4 corners. So this 30 is not possible. So x equal to 20 by 3 is the answer. 20 by 3. Next problem. Next problem is f of x equal to SAQ 8th one. f of x equal to sin x into 1 plus cos x. Show that maximum value at x equal to pi by 3 has maximum value at x equal to pi by 3. So take first derivative. UV formula u dash v plus v dash u, derivative of sin x cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x into sin x. Next, show that f of x has maximum value at x equal pi by 3. So maximum or minimum decided at f double dash. So this is cos x plus cos square x minus sin square x, cos x plus cos square a minus sin square a, cos 2a formula, f double dash x minus sin x minus cos, derivative of cos minus sin 2x, integral derivative is 2, f double dash at x value 60 degrees pi by 3, so minus sin 60 value root 3 by 2, sin 120 sin 120 sin 90 plus 30, that is cos 30, cos 30 value root 3 by 2, both are negative values, so less than 0. So when f double dash less than 0, then f of x has maximum value at this point. Write down. Therefore, f of x has maximum value at x equal to pi by 3, at x equal to pi by 3. At x value pi by 3. So given f of x value is this one, show that f of x has maximum value at x equal pi by 3. So calculate f double dash. F double dash less than 0, it has maximum value. F double dash greater than 0, it has minimum value. That is the main concept. So first calculate f dash x. Apply UV formula. Derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Multiply the brackets. Cos square a minus sin square a. Cos 2a formula. F double dash. Derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x. Derivative of 2x equal to 2. Substitute at x value pi by 3. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Next, this is also root 3 by 2. So minus sin 120, sin 90 plus 30, cos 30. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So both are negative values, less than 0. So f double dash value less than 0 at the point pi by 3. So f of x has a maximum value at x equal to pi by 3.